Welcome to my first unboxing video for the Craftpod subscription box. This is a seasonal craft box, comes out every season, and the one we're looking at today is the Autumn 2020 Craftpod box with guest embroiderer and designer Emily Ferris. And let's just get to opening. So the box comes big enough to fit through a letterbox, so it's a large letter. And we have two craft activities in this month's box, this season's box. So first of all, we've got a little slip here to let us know that one of the embroidery thread colours has been swapped out for another. And this is an information card, so it gives us a little description about the two activities in the box. One is an embroidery by guest embroiderer Emily Ferris, and the second is a little woodland badger made from pre-felt. On the back we've got the social media spaces for Craftpod. I'll put all the links in the description below, and let's get to opening. So this is my first ever Craftpod subscription. I've purchased it for the next 12 months. Each box works out £25, or an annual subscription is £92. So first of all, we've got this beautiful fly agaric toadstool on a pin badge. English breakfast tea, lovely addition, nice way to just chill out and relax. Then we've got all the embroidery threads that are needed for the embroidery project. These are all DMC threads. And a little embroidery hoop, just big enough for the design. The toadstool embroidery design is printed out on this piece of black fabric. So it's all drawn out, ready for you to do your embroidery. And as you can see, it fits perfectly inside the hoop. The hoop then becomes like a mounting frame for it. Then we've got two small pieces of felt, excuse the dog hair, for the badger. This is your colour chart for the mushroom. We have a sheet of autumn themed stickers. I believe they were also designed by Emily Ferris. They'll look lovely in my planner. Then we've got an instruction booklet on how to put together the felt badger. This is printed on a nice thick sturdy piece of card. And here's the instruction booklet for the toadstool. So I'll be following those very carefully. Pipe cleaner for the badger, for his legs. And the main body of the badger is that black and grey felt. And we've also got some iron-on stabiliser. Now the instructions show that you use the stabiliser to draw your template pieces on first. Then you iron it onto your pieces of felt before you cut them out and use them. That way you don't have to cut up the templates for the badger. We've got two archival pockets in this box. This first one has two teeny weeny safety eyes for the badger and a needle. They're so tiny I nearly lost them, so you have to be careful. And the second archival pocket that is in the box, I thought at first that this was roving for perhaps needle felting onto the badger, but after having taken a look at the instruction booklet for the badger, I discovered it's actually the stuffing, so it's what you're going to put inside the badger as you make it. I'm looking forward to making these projects. I'm going to do them on video so that you can see the progress for them. And if you've enjoyed this and our other videos, click subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and perhaps consider subscribing on patreon.com.